How to unread messages on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Messenger and say for example that you want to unread this message right here. All what you need to do is click and hold on the message, and once you do that you will get this pop-up menu list from which you will see an option that says mark as unread. If you clicked on it, you will see that the message has been unread, and it will appear to the other person that you have not yet read the message instead of how it appeared before that you read the message. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unread messages on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.